Gateway, so. Okay, so we have dimes and quarters, right? We know that they add up to $3.50. So I'm going to have 0.10D plus 0.25Q equals $3.50. And we know there are 20 of them. Right? So I just need to get one of these to cancel out. So I'm going to multiply this whole thing by negative 0.10. That will get my dimes to cancel out. So I'm going to have 0.10D plus 0.25Q equals 3.50. Negative 0.10D plus, or excuse me, minus, minus 0.10Q equals negative 0.2, or negative 2. Because I distributed the negative, right? So these are gone. 0.15Q equals $1.50. Q equals 10. So I have 10 quarters, which means how many dimes do I have? 10. How did you know that so quickly? 10 plus 10 is 20. And then if I do the math, $2.50 plus $1 is $3.50. Yeah? Uh-huh. Sure.
Well, is there anything like this on the test?
The monies?
Yeah.
I don't think there's any money ones on the test.
Good, I don't understand. Yeah. What about the, like, number one?
I mean, there's a number one. There's even an extra credit question that has three variables.
Oh my God.
It's extra credit. Don't stress out. Okay. 6 grapefruit cost as much as a dozen oranges. The cost of a dozen grapefruit and 2 dozen oranges is $12. How much does one of each fruit cost? Okay, so we know 6 grapefruit equals 12 oranges, and I'm going to use OR for oranges. The cost of a dozen grapefruit and 2 dozen oranges equals $12. So 12 grapefruit plus 24 oranges equals $12. Everybody with me? I have my 2 equations with the G's and the OR's, totally predictable. Any ideas how I can start this before I give away the magic? Tell you all the secrets? I'm going to try to get a variable by itself. Hayden, what do you think?
Maybe since 12 grapefruit is already equal to 24 oranges,
Wow, you're kind of on. You're thinking. Your brains. The wheels are turning. Vince.
subtract the 24 oranges from both sides.
Not quite, but we're getting closer.
You could divide the top equation by 6.
Yes, divide this by 6. So 1 grapefruit is the same as 2 oranges. Nice. We got rid of our, we got the G grapefruit by itself. So now I can put this right here. So I'm going to have 12 times 2 oranges plus 24 oranges equals $12. It doesn't help that there's all these 12s and 24s. So I've got 24 oranges plus 24 oranges equals $12. How much is an orange going to cost?
$4.
Nope.
Wait.
25 cents. How did you know that? Because it's going to be 1/4, right? Divide by 48, you get 1/4. What's a fourth of a dollar?
Oh, I did 48 divided by 12. You're supposed to do 12 divided by 48.
Yep. And so then how much is a grapefruit? Grapefruit equals
50 cents.
50 cents. Teamwork, guys. Nice job. That was solid.
Was there be one like that on the test?
I don't have the test memorized, but
I think you should let us take a look at it.
no, I'm going to give you your study guide right now. And remember, the study guides are always incredibly similar, right?
Wait, how much is it?
50 cents.
Okay. How did you not listening? No, but I was doing it online, so.
No, it's not. Yep, the only thing we're doing tomorrow is finishing the study guide, checking the answer video. We'll be making the answer video after school today. And again, I will not be here. Not surprising. Maybe because my burping son. What is it with boys and burping? Can someone explain it to me? Like, he takes, like, such pride
I never burp.
in his burping. Like, he'll stand up from the dinner table and, like, pound his chest and burp at the same time. Like, totally unprovoked. Middle of dinner. Is that, like,
That's a 6 though.
he's 5.
5.
Yeah, but is that something that, like, you did when you were 5? Or should I be concerned?
What? Does he burp the ABCs?
He can do, yes. He burps words. He just thinks it's hilarious.
He burps at dinner?
All the time.
Yeah, everyone.
Your brothers do that too? Okay, so that's, I don't have to be super worried yet. Okay. It doesn't wear off? No? Okay, good. Cool. Can't wait. Okay, so let's make sure you guys understand what's happening here. I'm pretty sure I explained to you that on the quiz you'd have to show me each method, and then you get a choice method, right? So graphing, what do you need both of these in order to graph them? Yep. Y equals mx plus b. Don't forget that. Substitution, so you're going to need to get one of these variables by itself. Elimination is pretty self-explanatory, and then this last one, I genuinely don't care how you solve it. I would not advise graphing, but it's up to you. If you decide to graph it, you could maybe use a different color over here, but that's graphing is where you just slope-intercept. You make the two lines where they intersect.
Oh, so you just try to find the slope?
Um,
Where they intersect.
yeah, so go back in your notes. It's all in there.
I got it. You do the slopes of both of them, and then you like circle the point where they like.
You get the graph. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Oh, do you have another pencil?
Sure do. Okay, next page. We've got a concession stand. How many of each item did you sell? So identify your variables, write the equation, solve, interpret. Right? This is like what we just did. This is the packet we just did. Right? Same thing with number 6. Okay? Identify first, second number, write your equations, solve however you want, interpret. And then the last one is the challenge question.
Do we have to do the challenge question?
I mean, try it. What harm, right?
But if we get it wrong, do we this kind of point?
So it's extra credit, right? So this will not count towards your overall grade and like to hurt it, but it can help it if you get it correct. Okay? I mean, you might surprise yourself. You might actually, you know, solve it. When's your quiz? Friday.
Tomorrow.
You did good. Brad.
Tomorrow you guys have NWA 2-hour delay schedule. You go to your third period class first. And then shorten classes all day.
And then whichever one comes, yeah.
Okay. I'm going to pretend I didn't hear that. And then you will have time to finish this, watch the video, be super prepared for the quiz on Friday. Thumbs up?
Yeah.
Okay.
How come NWA is